This safe and effective diaper rash cream helps to prevent diaper rash before it starts, so you can protect your little one with a natural and safe cream designed just for your baby's delicate skin. Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about the doTERRA Baby Diaper Rash Cream. So the primary use for this is topically on the skin, and then the main benefits of the diaper rash cream from doTERRA is that it protects the delicate baby skin from excess moisture, helps balance and soothe skin, and is clinically tested and approved for sensitive skin, all of which are important for a baby's young skin. The directions for use are change soiled diapers quickly, then cleanse the diaper area and allow to dry. Then you can apply the cream liberally as often as necessary with each diaper change, especially at bedtime or anytime exposure to wet diapers may be prolonged. And so these are all important things to keep in mind with regards to the benefits and uses. And that concludes today's video. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and make sure to watch the other videos, which will be in the link in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on.